Ready to get started with UGC, but you don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm giving you a beginner's guide into getting started with user-generated content. From understanding the key formats to building your portfolio and pitching to brands, you'll learn everything you need to start earning with UGC in 30 days or less. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator, and I post weekly videos inspiring other creators how to land paid collabs, elevate their brand, and travel more. So first, you want to understand the different types of UGC formats. The different formats are unboxing videos, product reviews, tutorials, and testimonials. Each format serves a unique purpose and appeals to different types of brands and audiences. So this will kind of help you understand what your strengths are. Are you better at talking about a product that you've used and can vouch for? Or are you better at building the hype up over a product that you're unboxing? Next, you're going to want to get some inspo by researching and following some top UGC creators. Following these creators can provide insight on what content style that you like. It'll help you learn engagement tactics in your videos and branding strategies that work. I like to create a little saved folder on my Instagram of different pages and posts that give me inspiration. Take note of what resonates with you and how you can adopt these strategies and make it your own. Remember, we don't want to copy, we just want to be inspired. If you've made it to this point in the video, comment the word research. You have to make sure that you create a content plan and a content calendar. It helps so much with organization and being intentional with your content. You can create a content plan which lists out the type of content that you'll produce for the brands that you're collaborating with, and then your calendar will help you record, edit, and schedule the content. This will help ensure your consistency and make sure that you're staying on track with your goals. I use the Notion app for my content plan, my content calendar, pretty much everything related to content. I use Notion. If you like the video so far, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. After you've got a good amount of content, you want to make sure that you're beginning to build your UGC portfolio. A portfolio is crucial for showcasing your work to brands, and it makes your pitch so much more effective. Make sure you have a variety of different types of content so that brands can see how diverse your content abilities are. I like to have a mixture of all the different UGC recording formats on my portfolio because if a brand prefers unboxing, I want to show them that I can do that, as well as another type that they might be looking to get into more. You could also incorporate some before and after shots, as well as lifestyle integrated pictures and videos. I created my portfolios in Canva, and it was so easy to create, and it looks so aesthetically pleasing, which was the goal. Let me know if you want an in-depth tutorial or walkthrough of how to create a portfolio in Canva. If you do not have that much experience collaborating with brands and creating UGC content, create your own experience. Take skincare, hair care, wellness, whatever products that you have that you love, and create content using that. That'll be a great way to authentically show how much you love a product, and that can translate into the content that you create. Last, reach out to brands and use UGC platforms. You can find brands on social media. The more active they are on social media, the more likely they're using user-generated content to keep pushing out more and more videos, testimonials, things like that. There's also a lot of different platforms like Aspire, We Sponsored, Incense. These help you connect with brands, build experience, and get more paid collabs. Make sure that you're tracking your progress so that you know what works, what doesn't work, and you can keep track of tiny wins. Also, make sure that you're always prioritizing communication, as that can help build long-term collaborations and build up a good rep with brands. If you're ready to start making money with UGC, these steps will guide you towards success. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to landing paid collabs in 30 days or less. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more UGC tips, and check out my other creator tip videos. Keep creating, and I'll see you next week.